What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about function introduction, function argument, and today we are going to talk about recursive function. Alright, let's see the recursive function structure. At first, we call the function factorial with argument 3. And the function factorial's body is if and else. If n equals 1, it returns 1, or else it returns n multiplied by function factorial n minus 1. So now it sends the argument 3 to the function factorial's parameters n, and it goes to the else and it returns 3 multiplied by factorial n minus 1 is 2. And it calls the second function factorials 2. And it sends the arguments 2 to the factorial's parameters n, and it goes to the else and returns n as 2 multiplied by factorial n minus 1 equals 1. And it calls the third function factorials again, and it sends the arguments 1 to the function factorial's parameters n, but in this time, because n equals 1, so it returns 1. Alright, let's see the returns value. The third function factorial's value is 1. It returns to the second factorial's n minus 1. So now the function factorial n's value is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. And it returns to the first factorial n minus 1's call is 2. So the first function factorial's value is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And it returns the first call by function factorial with arguments 3. So x value is 6. It is a little bit of complexity, right? But it's never mind. Let's demonstrate it and you will understand it more. Alright, at first we define the function factorial with parameters n equals if n equals 1, it returns 1, else return n multiplied by factorial n minus 1, and we set n equals 3, and print the factorials of n equals the function factorial with arguments n. Alright, let's execute it and to see what will happen. As you can see, the factorial 3 is 6. Or we change n to 4 and execute it again. Or change n to 6 and execute it again. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have learned about the structure of recursive function and to learn how to use it. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.